I cannot believe that we are just 10 days from Germany. Are you excited? Yeah, we're excited. I have quite a lot to organize and put together to be ready. Today's Thursday. I'm hoping that I'll have everything done by Sunday. Then next week it'll just be last minute things to make sure that I have everything. But we are going to vlog and share with you our journey, our little mini vacation. Yeah, you have something to say? You're excited? Yeah, we are going to celebrate your first birthday. Oh, it's gonna be fun. This is the Zhiyun Weeble 2, and I am waiting on one more item. The baby fell asleep. Oh, I looked at my last video and I cannot believe how horrible my hair looks, but I don't get to do much with the baby, so anyway, as I said earlier, I'm waiting on one more gadget, and it's the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Then I'll feel set as far as gadgets goes. The missing piece is here. It's here. This time it's for real. Oh, hi.
Hey.
Sorry, it took me a second.
Yeah, okay. Hey. Got it? You okay?
Thank you.
Got it?
Yes. Thank you.
Got it.
Alright. We finally have all the gear, gadgets that we'll need for our trip to Germany. Well, I'm gonna have to pause and find something to open it with. Alright, so what was in the boxes? Right here I have the Zhiyun Weeble 2 Pro, micro SD card for the drone, landing pad for the drone, anti-collision light for the drone, cleaning kit, the drone. This is the remote for the Weeble, for the gimbal. And right there is the Fly More kit with the extra batteries for the drone. And this is the bag that the extra batteries came in, and it has enough space to store the drone and the remote. So I'll be using that one for storing the drone and the remote. And of course the drone came with this bag, but I have this backpack for my gear, so I'll be using that and storing the drone in here. The Weeble, the gimbal, I'm not sure whether to keep it in this case or place it in the bag by itself, because the bag is quite heavy. And that's all the gear we have to go to Germany. We're just waiting on one more item. What's wrong, love? You want to check them out? You can check them out. Gugu, it's okay. Come here. Come. Yeah, love. Anyway, we are waiting on one more item, and that that is a phone holder for the windshield, for our rental car. And that's it. With that, I feel like I can start packing and getting ready. Ready? We are here at Golden Owl Jewelry. I have to get my wedding ring resized because I gained a lot of weight. I didn't gain much weight during my pregnancy, but since I started breastfeeding, I just ballooned into this round little potato. It's awful. I miss going to the gym, but I have to wait on that because I don't want to get the baby sick or my partner sick. So yeah, hopefully soon I'll be able to start going again, but we are just 7 days away from our trip to Germany, so I'm excited. Are you excited, Arlene? Hold on.
The blue is the back one, is the blue one, and then there's a dark brown one, and then the other one's a light, it's like Lucky Eye.
Vinny. Bev. Oh.
Good boy.
anxious at the same time because I slept all day today and I'm still not done with packing. It's been hard packing because in between I have to take care of the baby, feed him, play with him, entertain him. So it's taking a while to get everything together. Um, Tomorrow is, oh, it's Wednesday. I'm hoping that by Thursday I'll have everything done. I need to because the last few days should only be about getting few things that I forgot about. Yeah, normally I'm not a procrastinator, but again, it's taking time to get everything done with the baby. So, yeah, I think I signed up for a huge undertaking to travel with the baby alone, but I do have some experience. I've traveled by myself, I've traveled with my dog, and I just have to rely on those experiences and just make it work. So that's what I'll do. And another thing, everything's a mess right now around our place, but another thing that I'm thinking about is possibly going to a pawn shop tomorrow with my outdated electronics and the electronics that I don't use. It's just taking up space. Um, I am sad to say that the the gimbal that I got didn't work out for me. It doesn't work with any of the cameras that I have. Um, it doesn't work with the cameras I have, and also I find that it's very heavy. It's the Zhiyun 2 Weeble 2 Pro. Yeah, it's extremely heavy and it doesn't fit my cameras. Why should I keep it? So I have to return that because I'm within the returning time. And my old tech and gear, I'm gonna try to pawn them, just um, sell them off and get current things that I can use. Yeah, so um it's getting to be that time. It's fall. The leaves are falling. It is a beautiful day today. I am taking my son on a walk before we leave. They have what is this? Saturday and Sunday flea market kind of thing here in Georgetown. So let's see what they have. I think most of the sellers have gone for the day, but
And I understood that. Looking for cheese that don't make her a hood rat. In fact, she's a queen to me. I like beans on me.
different sellers. They swap them out every week. Very cool. And that's it. That's the end. There are stairs there. There's no way I can push him down that way, so we have to turn around and find the stroller friendly path. Let's go.
Absolutely fine. What are you? 2005?
We are going to the river. Oh, Dominage. I can see the river. Ay, pang-love natin. We are at the waterfront. The water's off today. It's a little cool. Anyway, I thought that my flight was at 5 o'clock, but it's actually at 2 o'clock. So that gives me less time for preparing last minute things. It's nice to be out to breathe a little bit of fresh air. It's beautiful here. And he's sleeping and missing it all. He always does that. Oh, wouldn't it be nice if you sleep throughout the flight? It is beautiful. Look at that sun. It's magical. A few boats in the water. The real magic happens. We are away from the city, heading to the forest. I can't remember how many times I walked here with my dog, especially around this time of year when the leaves are falling. She used to run, and I would be the cameraman for her. I definitely miss her. Look at that. Beautiful. There's not as much leaves on the ground. Maybe in a few days there'll be more falling. Then it really looks beautiful. But you can see the yellow, red changes to the trees. Anyway, we're probably gonna turn around just about here. I don't want to go too far. I need to conserve a little bit of energy for tomorrow because we'll have to wake up early, and by 1 o'clock get out of here. Alright, let's make a turn. Whoop. Look at that. Beautiful. We turned around because, as I mentioned, I need to save a little bit of energy for tomorrow. Yeah, I exhausted myself thinking yesterday because traveling as a black woman is tough. Mostly because people have opinions about how you should live your life, even though they've never lived a day in your life. For example, I remember the first time I wanted to go visit my mother in Haiti. Everyone told me not to go, that they kill people in Haiti and it's not safe. It bothers me because there is no safe place in the world. People die everywhere. So, not going to a place means that you'll just die wherever you are. So I love traveling. I'm not gonna discriminate against any country. I'll go anywhere. That's how I feel about it. And to have people tell you, don't go to this place, don't go to that place, just does not make any sense, because you'd have to present a case where the location that you think is great and wonderful, that people are invincible. There's no violence, that it's just a pure utopia, and that does not exist anywhere. So with that, I just travel knowing that things can go wrong, and we deal with it as it happens. So I am looking forward to seeing a new part of the world. And what bothers me most is that I believe a lot of the opinions are based on discrimination, prejudice, because of my skin color. So hopefully I will meet friendly people in Germany, and that it's gonna be a wonderful time, and we'll be motivated to travel to additional places throughout the world. And that's it. The baby fell asleep. Let's see if you can see us. We are getting out of the forest. Time to head back and finish packing. Time to finish packing. looks like they have some regatta going on. I think that's the way you say it. That looks fun. That's the way to exercise. Anyway, we did a good 2-3 mile walk, which is nice because we're looking at 11 hours of sitting down, so that should help us to bear the long hours of sitting during the flight tomorrow. It's the tour boat. And he's still sleeping. Look at him.
I know it's kind of.
There's quite a few people out this evening. It's definitely not as it used to be before the virus issue. Yeah. Yes. Oh, sorry, the light. Walk to the elephant. Show me how you walk. Yeah, walk to the elephant. Yes, love. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Wow, you'll be able to walk at the airport. Very nice. Bia, Bia. Good job. Careful. Time to finish packing. Yeah?